Hey, what's up, XRP coin holder? What's going on this time? XRP holder, this is really good news for all XRP holder because remember, after a very long time, XRP price is pumps up. So definitely, when a coin will starting moving upward, the all credit goes to holder. And this time, I think also my friend, the XRP price increase. So I think the short time investors are starting holding and they stop selling. So absolutely, when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting, my friends, holding, so the price is increasing. So therefore, from last 24 hours, you can see here 1.84% XRP price is increasing now. So I think it's really great news for all of you. All right, so what's happening, my friend? In upcoming time, the huge explosion, the huge pump is coming soon, or they will fade us down. This is very important now for all of you. So I'm going to explain now, but kindly, my viewers, my subscriber, please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel. This time you can see the change occurring 2.34%. The price is increased. Definitely, with the price will starting moving upward, then the holder are starting holding and investing more and more. So therefore, the short term investor have been urgently starting buying for short time. Remember to in upcoming days, just in only 4 or 5 days, they will easily again starting selling, and when they will starting selling, so the remember to the prices again fares down. So therefore I will notify you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to hold down. And please, you will need to be active every time, because if the price for fails down, you will also need to starting selling. So thanks for watching XRP coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope you earn a lot of money from crypto, but if you are subscriber youtube channel.